It's Steve and Maggie. Red finger, where are you? Here I am, oh how do you do?
Hello boys and girls, I'm finger painting, yeah, come on. Oh hey, I've got an idea. You can try to guess what I'm painting, yay! So, what is it?
Oh!
Oh, hello Maggie.
Hi Steve, what are you doing?
I'm finger painting,
Ooh,
yay!
but it's too small. Abracadabra!
Whoa! Oh, you can see it now, can't you?
Yeah.
So what is it? You don't know?
No.
Then say with me,
I
don't
don't
know. Oh, I'm not surprised you don't know. I need some black paint to finish my picture. I'm going to draw a head here, 2 antennae, and I need 6 legs. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So, what is it? Oh, don't worry. It still needs spots. Then you'll know. Let's do 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is it? Yeah, it's a ladybird. Good job.
Abracadabra!
Oh, Maggie! My ladybird is flying away!
Yeah.
Oh, you naughty, naughty bird! That was great! A ladybird with all those black spots! Let's do another painting, but which colour? Oh, I know! Yay! Blue finger, where are you? Here I am, oh how do you do? So boys and girls, can you guess what I'm painting now? Good luck with this one, because I need 1, 2, 3, 4 prints. Yeah, but is it okay?
No, it's too small. Abracadabra!
Whoa! Oh, it's big and blue now.
Yeah.
So, what is it? If you don't know, say, I don't know.
know.
But you will know when I use some black paint to paint its body. Yeah. Some antennae and some legs. Oh, so now, what is it? What is it? Yeah, it's a butterfly.
Abracadabra!
Oh, Maggie! Oh, dear! It's a big butterfly and it's flying away! Oh, isn't Maggie a naughty, naughty bird? Oh, so boys and girls, let's do another painting, but phew, this is getting hard work. What colour shall we use? I know, yellow! Yellow finger, where are you? Here I am, oh how do you do? So, what can I paint with yellow? Oh, I know, So what is it? So, what is it? What is it?
Oh, it's too small.
Oh, sorry. Wow, that's a really big worm.
Yeah, no.
Oh, silly me. Oh, yeah. Now we know it's a worm. But let me give it a nice happy face. Yay.
Woohoo.
And say with me, boys and girls, it's a worm.
Abracadabra!
Oh, Maggie! Isn't she a naughty, naughty bird? Come on, let's say bye-bye to the worm. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, so boys and girls, do you like worms or do you think they're scary and disgusting? Oh, well, hey, I've got one last clean finger, so let's paint another picture in green. Oh. Green finger, where are you? Here I am, oh how do you do? So boys and girls, what bugs are green? I can think of something, can you? Hey, what is it? What is it?
It's too small. Abracadabra!
Oh, that's bigger and better. So, what is it?
Oh, I know!
Oh, Maggie, we'll all know when I finish putting some legs here. Oh, and a happy face. Yay! So what is it? Yeah, it's a caterpillar. Good job.
Abracadabra!
Oh, the caterpillar's off to find a nice flower. Let's say bye-bye to the caterpillar. Bye-bye. What? Whoa! Look at my fingers! I've got paint all over them!
And your face!
You silly me! Hey! Oh! Hey! What a hamburger! Yummy, yummy! Hey! Oh, Maggie! What a naughty, naughty bird! Oh, sorry, but I'm hungry. Oh, I'm very hungry. Oh, I'm really hungry.
Sorry, Steve. Time for a little Maggie magic. Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! A barbecue! Delicious! Yeah! I am hungry, hungry, hungry. I am hungry, yum, yum, yum. I am hungry, hungry, hungry. I am hungry, yum, yum, yum. Delicious! Thanks, Maggie. Oh, but it's getting dark. Time to go.
Oh, no! Let's stay here tonight. Abracadabra!
Wow! That's amazing! Well, hey, Maggie, there's a nest for you, but what about me?
Oh, sorry, Steve. Abracadabra!
A treehouse? Oh, I'm going to sleep in a treehouse! Hooray! Yeah! Oh, wow! This is great! Night-night, Maggie! Yay!
I'm not sleeping. So I'll go and see some friends. Yeah! Oh, hello, Mr. Owl. How are you? Oh, really? Yay!
Oh, what's that? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh, hello. Hello, Mrs. Squirrel. Oh, yummy nuts. Can I have some? Oh, yeah. Yum, yum. Oh, thank you.
Oh, what's going on? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hello, Mr. Woodpecker. Can I help? Oh, my head. Time for bed. Oh, yeah.
Oh, what now? Oh, I'm scared. 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 What's going on? I am scared. 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 I am scared. Ooh. I am scared. 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 I am scared. Whoa! Oh, hey, I hope Maggie's okay. Yeah, let's go and see if Maggie's scared too. Oh. Maggie, are you scared? Oh. Maggie, are you scared? Maggie, are you scared?
No!
Oh, Maggie, you are scared, aren't you? So
What?
I think I should stay here tonight with you.
Really? Okay. Abracadabra!
Oh, yay! Oh, thanks, Maggie.
No problem. Good night.
Night, night. Oh, this is better. Yeah. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, no. Oh, now I'm cold. I am cold, cold, cold. I am cold. Ugh. I am cold, cold, cold. I am cold. Oh,
What's the matter?
sorry, Maggie, but I'm cold.
Oh, dear. Time for some more Maggie magic. Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie. Great. I'm not cold now, but I am sleepy. Yeah, I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy.
Oh, what was that? And where's Steve?
Oh, silly me. Hey, how do I get out of this sleeping bag?
Steve! Oh, where is he? Steve! Oh, look! Oh, that's the biggest, juiciest worm I've ever seen! Oh, yummy! In my tummy! Woohoo! Oh, Maggie!
I'm not a worm.
Silly
Oh,
Steve!
you naughty bird. Oh.
Happy birthday, dear Steve! Happy birthday to you!
Oh, wow! Thanks, Maggie. Oh, hello, boys and girls. Today, it's my birthday. I've got a present. Oh, what's inside? What's inside? Let's find out. Wow!
Hey!
Hey,
Oh, silly Steve!
it's empty.
It's at the bottom! Yeah!
Oh, yeah, down there. Aha! Yay! A remote control! Oh, but a remote control for what? Let's find out. Yeah! A remote controlled present! Wow!
Open it, Steve! Open it!
Okay, let's make it come back. Yay! Great! Oh, hey, boys and girls, what do you think is in the present? Let's find out. Yeah! Hey, what a naughty present.
Silly Steve!
Hold on. This is Maggie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Being a naughty bird.
Sorry, Steve. Okay, you can open your present now.
Oh, yeah! Come on, let's see what's inside. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Maggie. Wow! A monster truck. Come on, let's try it out. Whoa!
Look out! Oh, Steve! You really are a bad driver!
No, Maggie, I'm a really good driver when I get behind the wheel.
Really?
Yes, Maggie, of course.
Let's find out! Abracadabra!
Wow! Look at my monster truck. Come on, let's go.
Hey, let's have some fun with Steve and his monster truck! Look out, Steve!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, nothing can stop me in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable. Oh, hey, what's that? What's going on? Ah, a bucket! Whoa, another bucket! Oh, and another bucket! Oh, buckets! Buckets! Buckets everywhere! Oh, a red bucket! A blue bucket! A yellow bucket! A green bucket! A zebra bucket! Oh! Oh, hey! Who turned the lights out? That's not fair! Hold on. Go! I'm unstoppable! Nothing can stop me! Oh, not even that!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, that was fun! And it didn't stop me. No. I'm unstoppable. Let's go. Oh! What's Maggie got? She's got a tube. She's trying to stop me with a big tube. Oh no! I'm going to hit it. Ah! Ah! Where am I? Whoa! I'm in a tunnel. Whoa! A tunnel. A tunnel. Oh! How do I get out of here? Hey, you see, I am a good driver, aren't I? Yeah. Oh no, a slide, but I am unstoppable. Hey, oh wow, you see, I really am unstoppable. Yay! Oh, and that looks fun. Yeah! I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck. Oh, that sandpit was great fun. Let's do it again. Yeah!
Hey, what will stop Steve in his monster truck? I know! Dinosaurs!
Yeah! Oh, it's Maggie. Hey, boys and girls, do you know how Maggie's going to stop me now? Oh, what? Dinosaurs! Dinosaurs! Oh, a purple dinosaur! A yellow dinosaur! An orange dinosaur! Oh, dinosaurs! 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 A mountain of dinosaurs! This is crazy! Oh, great! You see, not even a mountain of dinosaurs can stop me. No, no, no! I'm unstoppable! Oh, oh, oh no! I can't stop here. I'm unstoppable! Come on, let's go! I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck. You see, Maggie, you can't stop me. Where is that naughty, naughty bird?
Look behind you!
What? Oh no! Balls! Ah, a football! Oh, ah, a basketball! Oh, a rugby ball! Oh, a volleyball! Oh, a beach ball! Oh, ow! You see, Maggie, you can't stop me. I'm unstoppable.
Oh no! Stop, Steve! Stop! I mean it! Stop!
No, 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 Maggie. I'm unstoppable! Oh, no! Okay, maybe I'll stop for a bit of cake. Happy birthday to me! Oh, this is the best birthday ever!
Oh, it's you. I'm taking time out to relax. Shh, don't tell Maggie.
Steve! Steve! Oh, where is Steve? Woohoo! What a lovely tree to sit in and relax.
What's that? Oh, it's disgusting!
Oh no!
Maggie,
Oh, sorry.
is this you? You naughty, naughty bird.
Sorry, Steve. When I need to go, I just go.
Well, this can never happen again. You are getting potty trained.
Ooh, what's a potty?
Look, it's a potty. Say with me. It's a potty. It's a potty. It's a potty. Yeah.
But what do you do with it?
Oh, well, you, you know what to do with a potty, don't you?
No, I don't.
Oh, well, you put your botty on the potty and do a,
Poop.
Yes, Maggie.
Now I know what to do. Put your body on the potty and do a poop. Yeah! Put your body on the potty, do a poop. Put your body on the potty, do a poop. Put your body on the potty, put your body on the potty, put your body on the potty, do a poop.
Oh, what a rude song. But yeah, you put your body on the potty when you need to, go.
But I don't need to go now.
Okay, Maggie, just tell me when you get that funny feeling in your tummy and I'll run to get the potty. Yeah! Oh, wow, that smells lovely.
Steve!
Oh, yes, Maggie?
I've got that funny feeling in my tummy.
Oh, a funny feeling in your tummy.
Yeah!
Oh, no, the potty! The potty! The potty!
Steve! Oh, no!
Oh, don't worry. It's just a little accident.
Sorry.
Good thing is, you told me when you had that funny feeling in your tummy.
Yeah.
So next time, we'll get your body on the potty before you
Poop!
Yeah. Oh, I'm winning! I'm winning! Oh, Maggie, why are you so slow?
Got that funny feeling in my tummy.
Oh, no! Oh, Maggie needs the potty! The potty! The potty! Oh, stay there, Maggie.
Okay.
I'll go back and get the potty.
Be quick!
Okay.
Go! Ow! Ow! Yay! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! I did it! I did it!
Wow! Good job, Maggie.
Yay!
You held it till your body was on the potty. Oh, come on, everyone. Let's sing the song. Yeah!
Put your body on the potty, do a poop. Put your body on the potty, do a poop. Put your body on the potty, put your body on the potty, put your body on the potty, do a poop.
Oh, good job, Maggie. Hooray! And relax.
Steve! Steve! I've got that funny feeling in my tummy!
Hold it, Maggie, hold it. The potty, the potty, the potty. I'll go and get the potty.
Look out, Steve!
Oh, wow! Maggie, you put your body on the potty,
Woohoo!
all on your own, and did a poop. Oh, yay! So come on, boys and girls, let's sing the song.
Put your body on the potty, do a poop. Put your body on the potty, do a poop. Put your body on the potty, put your body on the potty, put your body on the potty, do a poop.
Look, Maggie is potty trained. Are you?
Woo!
Yeah!